Hello students, greetings to you all. Today we are going to see food in relation to health. Food is very important for all the living things. That's not only satisfy the hunger, but it is a fundamental for maintaining the health, supporting the growth and preventing the diseases. Food contains many of the nutrients, proper nutrients that are key to avoiding the malnutrition and deficiency diseases. Next is role of food in health. Food provide nutrients but build their body and repair their body tissues. That also provide energy to our body and regulate the body functions. It support the immune defenses and play the important role in maintaining the health and then growth. Classification of nutrients. Nutrients are classified into macronutrients, micronutrients and water and fiber. Macronutrients are carbohydrates, protein and fat. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals and water and the fiber. Macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein and fat. If we take the carbohydrates, protein, fat, that will provide the energy to our body and build the body muscles and repair the body tissues. Micronutrients, we need the micronutrients in small quantities and help in regulate and the protection of our body. Water and the fiber, it is essential for the digestion and aid in the health maintenance. Next we go to see energy and protein. What are the sources and then deficiency diseases? Yes, sources of the energy and protein: cereals, pulses, egg, meat, fish, fat and sugar. What are cereals? Cereals are rice, wheat, maize. These are the cereals. Pulses are red gram dal, black gram dal and then green gram dal. So if the person does not take the such amount of or the appropriate amount of these sources, cereals, pulses, that may leads to underweight, malnutrition. So underweight is commonly in the adult, and then protein and energy malnutrition in the children, that is called the marasmus, and then protein alone, the deficiency in the children is called the kwashiorkor with the edema. See this image, the child with the edema of stomach. Edema means accumulation of the fluid in the stomach, abdomen or otherwise in the leg. Next one is the calcium. Calcium is the mineral. The sources of the calcium is milk, green leafy vegetables, gingerly seeds. Mainly the functions of the calcium is bone and the teeth formations. If the person does not get the calcium minimum amount, that may leads to rickets, osteomalacia and tendency. So rickets occur in the children, osteomalacia in the adults, tetany is the muscle spasms. It's rickets and osteomalacia means the bones become soft and then very weak. If any one of them touch the bone, that may leads to breakdown. And then iron. The sources of the iron is liver, green leafy vegetables, rice flakes and then jaggery. And then functions of the iron is formation of the hemoglobin. If the proper iron should not be taken, that may leads to anemia. Anemia means the hemoglobin formation is very less. That person may become very weak and then tired, their hair losses may occur, that may leads. Next one is the vitamin A. Vitamin A sources are liver, egg yolk, butter, green leafy vegetables and then carrot. Mainly the carrot contains the vitamin A, and then functions of the carrots is a carotenoid. Mainly the functions of the vitamin A is clear vision and immune functions. Deficiency of the vitamin A deficiency is night blindness. Their vision should be not in proper. Sometimes that leads to night blindness may occur. Thiamine, vitamin B1. The main sources of the thiamine is yeast, outer layer of the cereals, whole wheat, flours, pulses and the nuts. Deficiency diseases means pain in the calf muscles. That means the pain in the back leg and weakness of the heart muscles. Beriberi is the main deficiency disease that affect the nervous system, means that is the dry beriberi, and then that affect the cardiovascular system means that is the wet beriberi. Next one is the niacin, vitamin B3. Main sources niacin is also present in the groundnuts, whole wheat cereals, and then pulses. Deficiency diseases means are pellagra. Pellagra means 3 Ds: dementia, diarrhea, and dermatitis. Dementia means confusion, memory loss may occur. Diarrhea means loosey stools, and dermatitis means hyperpigmented. Pigmented means colored. The hyperpigmented rashes in the sun exposed area. Some of the our body is exposed to the sun means neck, face, hands, and then legs. That means red rashes are occurred. Folic acid or the vitamin B12. Main sources is green leafy vegetables, lady's finger, and then cluster beans. Deficiency is megaloblastic anemia. Anemia is loss of the or the low production of the hemoglobin, but in the megaloblastic anemia, large RBCs and impaired DNA synthesis that may leads to inefficient production of the RBC. This is the image. Normal hemoglobin and then megaloblastic anemia RBC cells are present in the large size. Vitamin C. The sources of vitamin C is citrus fruits, amla, and guava. What is citrus fruits? Citrus fruits are lemon, orange. These are all comes under the citrus fruits. If deficiency is bleeding gums, that is called the scurvy. Vitamin D. The sources of vitamin D is egg, flesh foods, and then sunlight. Sunlight is the main source of the vitamin D. Morning 6 to 8 sunlight is very efficient for the vitamin D absorption. After the 12 is not advisable. Deficiency means rickets and osteomalacia. That main function is help strengthen the bone, gives the strength to our bones. Rickets in the children and osteomalacia in the adults. That bones are very weak bone density may occur. Thank you.